What's good, guys? Welcome back to the John's Kitchen. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a Toto Jamaican coconut cake. So first up, super simple, grab a mug, then you want to add in all your dry ingredients, then add the wet ingredients and give it a good mix. So we really appreciate all the love that you've been showing us, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're loving the content that we're putting out. So after you've mixed in all the ingredients very well, next step is to add your rum. Add in half a teaspoon and mix again. If you're anything like us, pour yourself a bigger portion and have a cheeky little sip. So once you've added all your ingredients, next step is to cook in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Then remove from the microwave afterwards, top with some fresh coconut or dried coconut, and enjoy. Drop us a comment down below and let us know if you enjoyed this easy, adapted recipe. Watch out for some new content dropping later on this week. Have a good one, guys.